Do you want to earn additional income?
Do you want to earn additional income selling compulsory product?
Every school must have a speech laboratory to teach students fluency in English.
This is how you will easily earn.
You can earn as an affiliate, dealer, or as an agent.
Earn 5% commission, from $1,000 to $3,000 for every school you close.
Simply by posting our promo, you will earn from $1,000 to $3,000.
We provide you with all support, from promo images to videos.
Bottomline had been installing speech laboratories since 1998. It has completed more than 100 installations in the Philippines, and 5 installations in Tanzania, East Africa.
Bottomline is expanding towards South and West Africa, the Middle East, and the countries of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN.
Added to the effectiveness of teaching English is the use of technology, like the Phonetic Speech Laboratory, which has preloaded pedagogical pronunciation lessons and modeling tools. Bottomline fabricates student cubicles for you on site.
Get the modern speech laboratory with cubicles that are ergonomically designed.
Bottomline surely completes installing your speech laboratory in 60 days. The best part is, you are covered by a 3-year warranty no matter what country you are situated.
Your teachers will be trained after the installation, in group and one-on-one.
Bottomline is proud to present its installations in Tanzania, East Africa.
Veda Mtwara, Veda Lindi, Veda Mikumi,
Arusha Technical College,
Mwanza Regional Training College.
Presenting to you our recent list of happy and satisfied clients.
Our clients in the Philippines are mostly from private schools, while there are a few from public schools.
Included in the list are the 5 colleges in Tanzania, East Africa. It's your name and contact details that will appear in the call to action to ensure that you really can engage with your prospective schools.
Call now.
Don't delay, lock in your post before others take it.
Call now.